So lads, welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to go over the exact step-by-step process which I'm going to use to win the school games. Okay, and this is not some bullshit process, right? This is a process which I've gotten advice on from many business mentors, from people like Max Pierce and Will Courtney, right? All these high level men, and they've actually reviewed this and actually approved this. So I'm consistently getting better. I'm consistently improving it over time, right? This is not going to be the same process which I'm gonna use when I win the school games. It's gonna be much different. But that's what you do. You have a process and you improve it, right? You improve it. You ask for feedback. You improve it. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you guys. I'm literally giving you guys all this value for free. This value, I was gonna record this video for my paid school community, which is $37 a month. But I was like, sack that. Let's give it on YouTube. Let's give all this value for free. So consider this a gift to you from me. Consider this video $37 a month. Right? Consider this video has a money tag on it, and I'm giving it to you for free. So let's get straight into it. So the first one is you want to understand what you do. You have to niche down, specific. Right? So what do you do? So what do? I help young men optimize their health and become financially free with our school community. I think I've changed it now. As of the recording now, my one is just I help young men, I help struggling entrepreneurs make money online. And the way I do that is to optimize their health, optimize their productivity, giving them proven frameworks which I've proven to work. And I give them that, I spoon feed it to them, and then they make money. So basically, I take them from their current situation. So the current situation is over here, all the way to the desired situation. So let's say what their current situation is. No consistent income, not in shape, eating processed shit foods, no productivity, getting no work done. And what's their desired situation? Who do they want to be in the future? Living their dream life, financially free, eating a whole food diet with a beautiful body. Fantastic, 10 out of 10 body, right? That's their desired situation. But the thing is that they don't know how they're going to get there. They have no proven framework. They have no proven process to get them from here to here. And guess what? Between here, you need a bridge, right? And the thing is, I act as a bridge. My school community acts as a bridge to help them go from their current situation, which is this, to their desired situation, which is this. And how do I help them do that? Through premium courses, one-to-one high-performance coaching, a network of like-minded entrepreneurs, and much more. I'm not going to go into too much depth, but as you can see, what you're supposed to do with a business is basically taking a person, an individual, from their current situation to the desired situation, and basically, you act as the bridge, which guides them over. That's basically what I do and what my business revolves around. Now, here's some traffic sources. So what are some ways which I'm going to get traffic to my school community? Because if you run a school community and you're not getting any traffic, at the end of the day, you're not going to make any money. At the end of the day, you're going to have no members in the community. You need to have a step-by-step proven process which consistently delivers results over and over again. And here is exactly my one. So traffic. So right now, as you can see, this is my YouTube video. So I'm getting traffic from my YouTube channel, which is organic. So posting videos to YouTube, which is long form videos, short form videos, making posts. I'm going to start making more posts now because you want to keep your audience engaged. You want to keep your subscribers engaged. And the best way to do that is just consistently upload content, upload quality content, upload high quality content, upload content that people actually want to watch. What's the point of uploading content that no one's going to watch? And one main thing to take away here is you want to upload content which your target audience watches. You want to upload content which you want your audience to watch. You want people in your school community. So let's say I upload business content, just purely revolving around business. I'm going to want only businessmen inside my community, in my paid community. I don't want people that want to get a jack 10 out of 10 physique in my school community if I'm posting solely about business. You get the idea? You want your audience to reflect what you post. That's exactly what you want to do from your YouTube channel. You don't want to mess it all up. But as always, inaction is always better than no action. So get your YouTube channel started. It doesn't matter what business you have, a YouTube channel is the number one key. The next thing is Instagram and YouTube theme pages. So this is actually a strategy which I found from Luke Belmar. So Luke Belmar is running Capital Club, which most of you guys probably know. And he has many theme pages and YouTube theme pages. And what he does is he drives traffic from all those theme pages into his community. And that's what I'm trying to do now. I have a few people working on me for Instagram theme pages and all that. So I have Instagram and YouTube theme pages, and I'm going to be running that. I have a few guys working for me running Instagram theme pages and YouTube theme pages. If you guys want, if you believe you can run a good theme page on luxury and money motivation, then feel free to just drop me a DM, drop me a comment. I'll reach out to you on Instagram, or send me a message on Instagram and I'll reach out to you. This is a really good opportunity to make money. It's actually a really underrated strategy as well, because the pages have a lot of potential. They get a lot of followers, and with those followers, you want to monetize them. And the way I monetize them is I divert them into my free community, and from the free community, I'll convert them into the paid. I'm going to show you that exact process later. Next is email newsletter. So you want to have like a newsletter where you give out daily value, weekly value, okay? And this is like, it also acts as a funnel, because at the end of the newsletter, you can have a link to book in a one-to-one call with you. And in that one-to-one call, you can sell them your product. So what you want to do is you want to have a good newsletter, give out a shit ton of value. You want to use the copywriting framework, which I call the IDA framework. So you want to start your newsletter off with attention. You want to capture the attention, a good hook. Then you want to capture the interest, right? What's something interesting to them? Give them like a story of yours, interesting story. Then desire, which is value. So what do they desire? So give them a shit ton of value. And then action. Make them take an action at the end of the video. Never make a person who you've captured their attention to not take action. So at the end of the newsletter, it could be subscribe to my YouTube channel or book a one-to-one call with me. It's as simple as that. Make sure you leverage this. The next thing is, this is actually a strategy I developed by myself, and I see no one else using this except for my clients. So it's just Skool posts. So I want you to join 20 to 30 Skool communities and just make one valuable post. Make one valuable post about business. Let's say what your niche is. My niche is just business or self-improvement. Make a post about that every single day. Copy and paste it to every single Skool community and reply to every single comment. Engage with the people. You're gonna get so much DMs. You're gonna get so much DMs. You can convert them into your free community. And when you get DMs, you can just send them the link to book in a one-to-one call with you, or even just send them to your free community. It's as easy as that. You're getting free traffic. Just 30 minutes of work every single day. Just making one Skool post, one valuable post, and just copying and pasting an extra 5 minutes. That's gonna get you a high ROI. That's probably one of the most high ROI activities you can do in this list. The next thing is meta ads. I'm going to go over that later. I actually have no experience running meta ads for Skool community. I run them for social media marketing agency, so I know how to run meta ads, but not for a Skool community. I'm sure I'll figure it out. But yeah, once I start doing that, I will teach you guys a step-by-step process which I use. So that's basically the traffic. Now we're going to go to the funnel. So what's the funnel looking like? So we have an opt-in page. So we send them to the opt-in page, which is my website opt-in page. So I have a website opt-in page. I can show you Here's my opt-in page, right? So helping young entrepreneurs online make money. And then here's the opt-in page. So basically they have 3 options. You join the free community, join the paid community, or they get a free one-to-one coaching call. So that's basically, I'm still working on it. But yeah, as you can see, that's like an opt-in page. This is where I send them to. They're gonna take an action. And the next one is I send them to a VSL. So from the opt-in page, they go to the VSL. So they click on any of the buttons and I take them to the VSL. So the VSL is basically a video sales letter. And if I go to the 1% club, let's say they want to join the free community. This is my VSL. This is basically my VSL. And I have the same thing for the paid community. Then from the VSL, I take them to the free course. So most likely the free course, and then convert them into the paid. And I'm going to show you the exact process right here. So this is the exact process, the proven strategy that works to get members from the free community into paid for months and months. So the first step is booking an onboarding call. Just like I said, once you get them from the free community, you want to have an automated message that sends them out. So every time a member joins, you want to send them an automated message that sends the link to booking a one-to-one call with you. So an onboarding call with you. I have a lot of those. And you want to have a question in the onboarding call. So you want to have like a form in the onboarding call. Or you want to use Calendly. Calendly is a really good link because you can answer questions beforehand. And you want to ask them a question. Can they invest over $50 into themselves right now? And if the answer is no, then you want to cancel the call because they're not the perfect fit. You don't want unqualified leads from India, people that are willing to pay $0 a month. They have no money, they're broke. You don't want people like that, right? How are we going to make money off them? You just cancel the call. Next thing is, if they are ready to invest over $50, then book the call with them. Then you book a call with them, send them notifications, send them follow-ups to book, make sure they attend the call, make sure they're not a no-show. That's the worst possible case. The first thing you want to start the call, you want to introduce yourself here, get friendly with them, get their guard down, get friendly with them. And the next thing is give them advice on the struggle. So another question you want to have in the pre-filled form is, what are you struggling with right now? You want to give them advice and struggles. Most likely it should be about money if your niche is money, self-improvement, health, whatever. You just want to give them a shit ton of value about whatever they're struggling with, and you want to make them feel as if you've solved the whole problem for them. And the next thing is you want to ask them questions. You want to ask them different questions. So after you've given the value 15, 20 minutes of the call, you want to make them say 3 yeses in a row. So an example of that could be, do you want more value like this in the future? Would you want more calls from me like this? Would you want free support from me with 24/7 support? If you give enough value on the call, that should be 100% guaranteed 3 yeses in a row. And that's exactly what you want, because you want people saying yes and yes and yes as much as possible. Because when you do that, they're interested in what you're going to say next. And what you're going to show next is you're going to show them inside your paid community. So it's just a 5-minute tour inside the paid community, show them the courses, the network, the calls, and then before telling them the price, you want to pitch them your high ticket solution. So like, okay, I have one-to-one coaching calls, 24/7 support. I connect with all the millionaires I've connected with for $200 a month. Would you be interested in that? If they are interested in that, then you want to send them an invoice and get started straight away. Get them started with the steps. Okay. However, if they say no, you want to pitch them to your low ticket school community, which is probably going to be 30, 40, 50, $50 a month. That could be your low ticket community, right? And if they are willing to invest into that, then send them a link to join, and make sure you try and get them to join ASAP on the call, right? You don't want to delay this process, because the more people delay it, the less likely they're going to join. However, if they don't want to join, give them a plan to make money. So just open up Google Doc, 5 minutes, quickly 5 minutes, make them a solid plan to making money. Then after that, you can give them a free pre-made resource on making money, or getting a 10 out of 10 physique. And that way you're giving them value. That way, once they do make money, probably gonna, if they're hardworking and they want to take action, they're gonna come back to you in a few minutes, or in a few weeks, and they would want to join your paid community, rather than if you didn't give them anything, if you didn't give them a plan to make money, if you didn't give them a pre-made resource, they would potentially, if they made money, not come back to you. You just want to give as much value add as possible for free. Like, you see what I'm doing with my YouTube, giving as much value as possible. In my free community, if you haven't joined it, the link's down below, as much value as possible. And that's basically the proven step-by-step process which converts members from the community from free to paid. And now we've covered that. Now let's go. So you want to have some. So this is a product. So what are the products you sold? So I have a 1% club free one, and then I have 1% club premium. So the paid one, which is, I haven't updated that, which is $37 a month. Yeah, you want to have your classrooms. What's side of that? I've got much more. I just haven't updated it yet. You want to have your goals, right? You want to have your goals. And then you want to have a mindset and flywheel. So here's my flywheel. So flywheel is a person invests into the product. You get more sales. More sales, you get more traffic, organic and paid, using this strategy, right? You want to get more traffic. And then you want to funnel them into your sales process. So the VSO, using this. So this is the sales process, the funnel, right? You want to get them to your product. So free or paid product, doesn't matter. And then you can use affiliates. So you can incentivize people in your free and paid community that whenever they get X amount of members into the paid community, or if they get X amount of members, if they get one member into the paid community, they get X amount of commission, right? That's like repeating the whole flywheel loop, and it's just making the process so much more quicker for you. But that's basically the mindset of flywheel. Here's like a mood board you can have there, just keep you motivated, and then like a definite chief aim. So you want to read this every single day. So it's like, SBA worksheet. And what do you want to achieve? When will you achieve it, and what you intend to give back once you've achieved it. So that's basically the whole process, which I'm going to use. I'm going to refine this and make it better over time. This is exactly the whole process which I'm going to use to win the school games at 15 years old. And if you don't believe me, then watch this video in 1 year from now, and you're going to see me win the school games. I'm telling you, that's my guarantee. In 1 year, I will win the school games. Just a quick recap. You can look at this, right? I can send you this template down below. It's going to be in the description of the video. So if you want to check this out, this is definitely going to help your school community. Check it out. It's going to be in the description of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share it to someone who is looking to start a school community, who is looking to make money online from school. And yeah, that's it. Hope to see you guys in the next video.